You seriously want to do this? Let's get started. Yo, how's it going, guys? My name is Aslex and welcome back to Simple Streaming. Today I'm gonna show you how you can upload a video onto YouTube. Simple. Before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, and follow me on Twitch, follow me on Snapchat. No, it's not Snapchat. What am I talking about? No Snapchat. You know, not gonna find me on Snapchat. Follow me on Discord if you want to join the community and have fun. We do movie nights and chat and stuff. So let's go. Whew. God, I'm hungry. Okay, so you have to first create a YouTube account by logging to Google account, email, and then if you want to let me know how you can create a YouTube account, I will show you in another video. If you do want to have that video be made, please comment the same that I just said, like, yes, I want to have a YouTube account tutorial, something like that. Gosh, I'm so hungry. That's why I'm talking so fast now. Alright, so this is YouTube Studio. You can also have your YouTube page like this. Alright, so once you're on YouTube or start page, whatever, okay, yeah, make sure I just dropped a video on Simple Streaming. Check out this one, how to save your bots. So you can go to this box here, which says upload. Click on that. You can, if you hit a certain mark, oh, actually you don't need that mark anymore. You can go live too. Ooh, how fun is that? Okay, I'm not gonna do that now. Click on upload a video, then it will take you to YouTube Studio, or you can just go to YouTube Studio, click on there, like upload a video. Then you can click on this choose a file, or you can just, if you have the video done already, you can just drag it up. So let's say I have a video. What do I upload? Shit, I don't know. Okay, let's see that I upload this one. Make sure it's MP4 or something like that that is suitable for upload. Then you have the topic, just enter the title, test, I don't know, test. Write the descriptions, link, support, something like that, what this video is about. Then you can, if you don't know how to create a thumbnail, you can just choose one from these three. But if you want to create your own and upload your own, click on this one here. So let's see, I want to do, oh, I have a road picture. Great. All right, let's have the road pictures for now. Then if you have a playlist, you can add it here. If you don't, you can create a playlist just by clicking that and then enter the name. Let's see, like that, enter the name. Is it viewable is it private, authentically or not? Then done, hit done. There's plenty of options to choose. If your work is made for children, hit children. If not, it's not for children, hit that box. Then you have the age, click on that, it's advanced setting now. If this video meant for be viewer over 18, yes or no, click on that. Then you have more options under there. Is this video promoted? Do you get paid to make this video? If yes, click. If not, don't. Then you have the tags. Tags is what makes your video searchable. So please enter some tags that will help you get your video discovered related to the topics that you're talking about. Just type anything and then hit enter and it will get there. If you don't want to know how I get this tool here that suggests things, I will do a video once we hit a certain subscriber number. Yeah. Video for video language, texting language, I mean subtitle. Yeah. If you want to enter the date when this video was created, when was it filmed, make sure to do that. Doesn't really matter, you can leave it blank. YouTube license is the standard. If you have anything else, click on that one. Enable other, this one is enable other people to use your videos in their website, or like show your videos in their playlist. Hit on that. This one is for the subscription feed and notification when you upload a video. You have the category to choose between gaming, film, animations, car, music, animals, sports, traveling, blog, humor, entertaining, news and politics, guides and tricks, educational videos, and something like that. Okay, and here's if you're playing a game, you can choose the name. Let's see, I play Magic the Gathering, so I'm gonna type Magic. Can't spell Magic. Magic the Gathering. And it will show up, and you can choose. So there you have Magic the Gathering. This is for your comments. So if you want the comments, like what type of comments show first, hit there. And show how many likes or dislike on this video. You can toggle that to shown and not show. The next thing is end screen and also cards. End screen is like, there's a template, so you can just choose from those. So the normal one is like, it will show, you can choose between show the best video that YouTube suggests or the latest video. And then you have this one here, this circle that you can see, which is your subscribe button, subscribe logo button. Once you're done, you can adjust how much, when you want to show it, and you can also preview. Click save. The small element to that, the card is for if you want to add a video that's pop up to suggest to watch, playlist, channel. I do videos for now, so I actually don't have any videos on this channel because it's a brand new testing channel. Just hit that, choose the mark when you want this to pop up, and then click save. Next one, final step. Also, you have to verify your account if you want to upload a video that is longer than 5 minutes at the beginning, or 15 minutes. If you create a new account, you have to like 2 factors login and get a code, something like that. So then you get access to more things like live stream and also create longer videos. Get verified, basically. So you can set this on private. I don't know what this is translated to. So this one is only private, sort of, so only people that you give access to, both of them, can see a video. Authentically, then we go public right away. You can also do a schedule one, so if you hit on that, you can choose like what date, what time it will be live, and it will automatically upload itself. Let's see, want to do it 9 o'clock tomorrow, 9 o'clock 11th March. Click on that, and if you want to do a premiere, which means it will be private before publish, and also premiere means that you will watch this together as a live video, sort of. So I never do that, so if you want to do that, then you go click on upload straight away. Then it will do, YouTube will have to do the test, like if this video is suitable for content, if need to do a check if there's any audio, DMCA, and once that, you'll get notifications on email or even YouTube page if you have anything that is copyrighted material that need to be dealt with. So I'm not gonna publish this because this channel here is not in use right now, so I'm just gonna delete it. And that's how you upload a YouTube video. Good luck, have fun, make sure to give it a thumbs up if this one was helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.